हेलो, दिस इज़ प्रखर और BCA फाउंडेशन के बारे में आई वांट टू शेयर माय व्यूज़। तो ये जो फाउंडेशन है ये बहुत ही नॉलेजेबल चीज़ है, हमको नॉलेज मिलती है और मैं एक तरह से कहूँगा सोशल साइकोलॉजिकल एम्पावरमेंट ये करते हैं। हमारे जो अनंत जी हैं, BC अनंत जी, इनकी बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें मेहनत है और वो दिखती भी है और मैं भी इसका हिस्सा हूँ एक। और बहुत ही क्लोज ये मेरे भाई हैं बिल्कुल। तो BCA फाउंडेशन जो है, आई विश यू गाइज ऑल द बेस्ट और इसी तरीके से मेहनत करते रहिए आप लोग। दैट्स इट, ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं मेरे पास बोलने के लिए। थैंक्स।
Hi, I'm Manik. As we all know, PCA Foundation is turning 13 this 4th of December, and to be honest, I couldn't be happier because PC Anant is doing such a great thing with BCA Foundation that everyone, not only I, everyone who is connected directly or indirectly to it, will very grateful to have such a operating organization around him, and loads of love to him and BCA Foundation Bharat. Keep growing, keep moving.
Good evening, friends. BCA Foundation, that was established 13 years ago, has undergone great transformations. It has been working tirelessly in field of health, education, social security, and in spreading dharmic knowledge and education among all. The founder of BCA Foundation, Mr. BC Anand, has worked tirelessly in all fields. He has been helping in the rise of Dharma among the youth in his own capacity as the founder of the BCA Foundation. I convey Anand ji all the best in all the future endeavors. May BCA Anand Foundation continue to rise and prosper.
ओम नमो पार्वती हर महादेव। जय श्री राम, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम। नमस्ते, नमस्ते ऑल। परहित सरस धर्म नहीं भाई, पर पीड़ा सब नहीं अधमान। गोस्वामी तुलसीदास जी, when wrote these lines in Sri Ramcharitmanas, he also gave us one very important message. Serving others, helping others is the biggest dharma that one can follow. And there is no other sin similar to hurting others or thinking or doing bad to others. BCA, today she turned 13. I call her my daughter. She is into her teens now, the teen age, the real age where the real growth for physical, mental, as well as the spiritual growth happens for any physical existing entity. I am BC Anand. You know me as the founder and president of BC Foundation, but who am I? Let me tell you the truth. I am nobody, but a simple and a small piece of existence in the whole lot of beautiful nothingness, or the beauty of the universe, who has been fortunate to be born as a human in this life and has been awarded a gift in the form of BCA Foundation Bharat. Our motto, it states, and we are referring to the Mahabharata, the great Mahabharata. It says Charan Margan Vijana. translation of the Sanskrit quote, meaning the one who walks apart finds his or her destiny. Why do we say that? Why do we idealize that? BCA as an organization is 13, and from the very first day, it has seen the pitfalls and the ups and the lows and the highs and the lows, everything. But we have started realizing and finding ourselves the path towards our destiny so that we can do what Paramatma, the ultimate Lord, wants us to do. When you look at the logo of this beautiful organization, you see Shiv and Shakti at the top. Or as previously, the last year I also I told you about the meaning of our hashtag SS. It's Shiv Shakti again. Let me inform the ones who are new to us. You know why do we do that? You know, for us it is very crucial and important to realize who are the real kings and queens. And the real leader of this organization are none other than our own Guru, the Guru of the universe and the world, who taught everybody everything, the ultimate mother, the divine mother, because of whom this existing organization is running, not out, and will keep on running, not out. I don't know till when, but I believe it will. Now let me take you to a story. It was 7th of September, 2 days after the BCA Foundation founders, that is my birthday. It was 4:15 or I believe 4:16 to be precise. In the evening, I get a call with a shaky voice of one of my very good friends, stating one of our previous ambassadors, a magnificent poet, a beautiful writer, a BC ambassador, of course, and beyond that, a close to heart person and friend of mine, Manik Malik, has met with an accident. I felt like somebody has dropped a bomb on my heart with a whole lot of haphazard and too many thoughts rushing in my mind. I left my office. The whole journey throughout the hospital was speculating a lot many things and trying to think the best possible and the least possible damage to him and the best possible health to him, praying the Lord. When I reached the hospital along with the other good friend of mine, I saw him and met. You know what? I saw a very big smile on his face. A day before, an evening before, around 8 to 12 hours before, he was with me, celebrating a day past of my birthday, wishing me, hugging me, and talking a lot about a lot many things, as we usually do. I learned one thing from him, one very crucial thing from him that day. I'm not stating this because he has been a BCA Foundation Bharat ambassador, but I'm stating this because this is something for all of us to learn from. To never give up. When the world comes to you with all the thorns in its shield, you have to protect yourself with a blunt word. A blunt word that destroys all the thorns, and you have to fight the rest of the world. When you are on your knees, you have to look up at the sky and thank the one for giving you the opportunity to at least fight. BCA has produced many such ambassadors. And in fact, we are grateful that we have ambassadors like Manik Malik. When people meet me and want to know about BCA, I tell them that it's an educational organization, it's a cultural organization that teaches the world about Sanatana Dharma, about health, about industries, about many modern and Vedic things that we have forgotten, that the links have been lost. So, what have we done from the previous year to this year? I talked about digital presence last year. We made sure that we are 93% digital. This year we reduced it a bit. We are close to 90% of digital because we came back to grounds. We decided, let us go with papers. Let us work with papers and pens to teach the world, to tell the world that this is the power, the most powerful weapon to change the world. We all can talk about the changing the world, but it happens to be whatever is written by the one. But at least we are in the process of doing something towards the final destiny, as I said, Charan Margan Vijana. It was July 2021. Bharat and the whole world saw the devastating second wave of COVID virus. Everything was standard, and so was BCA Foundation. But our determination was never still, as we believed and we felt that the world needs to see a ray of hope. So, in the path of the destiny, we came up with an idea. Our planning commission and BCA Foundation came up with an idea called Sankalp. I was discussing this while sitting in my office at 8 or 9 p.m. I was scratching things on paper, how things can go, what should Sankalp be, what can be the objectives of Sankalp. There comes my mother, the Honorable Chairperson of BCA Foundation, Dr. Champak ma'am, my mother. I talked to him, I said, what should we do? She talked about innovation, constant work without thinking of the result. I said, what should we name it? She said, think of something, and she knows my love for Sanskrit and Hindi. Something came up while I was looking at the poster of my beautiful Mata Durga and, of course, Bholenath. Something popped up in my head. The credit goes to them, of course. Sankalp. What was Sankalp? Sankalp, an initiative of National Innovation Summit by the BCA Foundation. The challenge for us was to bring people, the best of the bestest people, on the forum and continue this event for 5 long days. We had COVID in front of us. We had lack of resources in front of us. But we had one prominent thing called faith. The faith that drove for us belief, and that belief led us to make sure that Sankalp reaches her city. The BCA Foundation team reanalyzed everything. We sat down for 5 hours straight that night. After that, we came up with a plan that this is going to be a new project under the belt of BCA Foundation, Shiv Shakti Media, and Adi Shakti Productions. Our organization, our daughter projects came up. Everybody united and made sure that we contact the best of the people from across the nation. BCA made sure that this happened. And this was the 13th year in Go Make It. BCA came out with that idea. When we connected two different fields that some way or the other serving people has been unmatched. And as a father, I am proud of my kid. All this was not possible without once managing everything in the background, because you always see me, my face in front of people, the one who endorses these people. But let me not take any single credit for anything, not even for this event. The first and foremost credit goes to my Paramatma, my Shiva and Shakti, my gurus, my ancestors, who made sure that this event happens, whose powers amalgamated all themselves together so that this event could happen. And also, this event of BCA Foundation, where I'm speaking from, could happen. My team of chairpersons and leaders, my father, my mother, my sister. I also come in that team, but I will not take the credit again, who supported this. We wanted to get a sponsor. We talked to a few people. Ultimately, a suggestion came from our doctor project, Dr. Champaklata Foundation for Breast Cancer Awareness. She said, you go ahead, we will fund you. We self-funded our own event. Our own daughter organization funded a national level event, which was run 5 straight days. The third most crucial component, under the guidance of our CEO, chair, founder, Ms. BCNO, we made sure that the planning is such that our team that comes to take over from the moment the planning is done till the conclusion of this event does the best with no confusions. That gave birth to 2 beautiful ambassadors, new ambassadors for the BCA Foundation. Number 1 is Shivali Mahajan. I must not forget to mention the dedication of that young woman who came to be the first managing director for Sankalp project. That young lady was working for 3 different projects, out of which Sankalp was the most tiring project, as she had to be on the camera just after her work is being finished for 2 hours, 1 hour, for 1.5 hours, for 5 days. That lady was working on her scripts every day so that nothing goes wrong. The proficiency of leadership inspired me to do the best. I know I have not been up to the mark as a leader, but somewhere or the other, Paramatma made sure that her efforts were never out of the mark. The next person, Siddharth Bharti, a very good friend of mine, he made sure that our graphics and technology never fumbles, so that we can make sure that the event goes live 5 straight days with no problems correlated. That how can I wait? Thanks to him who never came on camera, but we wanted always that was on his screens. How does whatever agriculture of made sure that my softwares are being run properly and make people realize that there is something in fashion also. We went to a textile expert, a fashion expert, everything was doing live or B2C. There's no issues. We just amalgamated both of them. We came up with this idea. We came also talk about 2 different people serving and speaking to the public across the world. We visited the world. Would like to research, pay homage and tribute the good Naman, and for this country, we brought them together. Lives across history, COVID, across the ultimate goal was to make youngsters from tier 3, tier 4 cities who have not Corona made sure that people who are self-made at their homes, to make them understand and realize. And COVID made us realize the importance of ourselves as an organization, and how and why we are meant. I was talking about motivate people, let's make people feel positive. COVID was a big challenge. One of our COVID most respected speakers. We saw people getting, but then hit by COVID too, infected by COVID. BCA Foundation. We got locked in. On that one of our places, very young gave birth. We have BCA was Saurav Dasgupta. He was just a caller addressing an audience. Send me the 38 objectives of this December 2020, the English New Year Eve. My office typed a mail and sent it all to him. I was the very praying same night. People at that live address confirmation. Let us not my offices. Let us WhatsApp. And it is pray from the Lord to speak that this COVID goes out. The determination of BCA towards Paramatma still in war and towards. But let us all have faith. As I said, BC is there to spread hopes, and so are so many other organizations, beautiful organizations. And beyond that, never lose hope. Have faith in whatever you do. BCA, when we started it, I will take you back to the days when we started it in the year 2008. We lacked everything from objectives to understanding of everything. Sorry, from objectives to everything what could be done. But that lack of confusion led us towards a place where we have realized, why are we here? Why were we made? Why was I given this responsibility by the one and only? From environment to health to education to culture to Vedic knowledge, everywhere we made sure that the best of the best reaches people in whatever ways possible. In the form of trying to find platforms, we became one for so many self-made people. This is what your determination and your faith does to you. Now let us move and meet the ones for whom we celebrate this. My parents. My parents, our parents, the chairpersons. Let us now meet them and greet them their 33rd wedding anniversary, and because of whom we got created, we came to this planet, because of whose belief and determination and whose guidance this organization is still running. Welcome on board from headquarters of BCA Foundation Bharat. गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। एक व्यक्ति का, एक आत्मा का जब एक मानव शरीर में जन्म होता है तो इस सृष्टि में वो माता के गर्भ में हाथ बंद करके आता है ताकि वो भज सके। जैसे ही सृष्टि में वह बाहर आता है वो हाथ खोल देता है और चारों ओर से बटोरना आरंभ कर देता है। गुरु का अर्थ ही मार्गदर्शक होता है जो मानव को सक्षम बनाता है। मैं सौभाग्यशाली रहा कि मेरे जीवन में एक नहीं कई गुरु रहे, परंतु परमात्मा के साथ उन्होंने इस भौतिक जगत में परमात्मा रूप में गुरु का भाग निभाया। मेरे माता पिता, माँ प्रथम गुरु होती है, पिता श्री द्वितीय। तदोपरांत मानव जब बड़ा होता है तो गुरु का आध्यात्म और आश्रय उसे प्राप्त। आज बीसीए फाउंडेशन अपनी 13वीं वर्षगांठ में ही नहीं अपितु 2 महान विभूतियों की 33वीं सालगिरह में भी प्रवेश कर रहा है, जहां और जिनके कारण हम इस स्थिति पर पहुंचे हैं कि आज संसार हमें किसी रूप में तो जानता है। आज मैं स्वागत करूंगा एक चरण वंदन के साथ और प्रणाम के साथ अपने माता पिता, हमारे माता पिता और बीसीए के मार्गदर्शक, बीसीए के सब कुछ और बीसीए के प्रथम 2 अक्षरों का, श्रीमान मेरे परम पूजनीय पिता श्री भारत भूषण झा और मेरी परम पूजनीय माता श्री डॉक्टर चंपक, आप दोनों का स्वागत है। आपका संदेश जो हम सब सुनना चाहते हैं, पूरा बीसीए परिवार सुनना चाहता है। स्वागत।
आज बीसीए फाउंडेशन का 13वीं वर्षगांठ है। इस बीसीए फाउंडेशन ने इन 13 वर्षों में बहुत सारे उतार चढ़ाव को देखे, लेकिन यह माइलस्टोन की तरह अपने पद पर अग्रसर रहा। मैं सभी श्रोताओं को, सभी एम्बेसडर को धन्यवाद देता हूँ जिन्होंने इसे आगे बढ़ाने में अपना सहयोग दिया। धन्यवाद।
बीसीए फाउंडेशन यद्यपि यह तो बहुत छोटा सा रूप लेते हुए धीरे धीरे सने सने बढ़ता रहा, संकल्प से सिद्धि की ओर बढ़ता जा रहा है। कुछ क्षणिक विराम लेते हुए यह धीरे धीरे अपने आगे की ओर कदम बढ़ाता जा रहा है और आशा यही है कि धीरे धीरे यह आगे की ओर और भी उन्मुख होंगे और इसमें सभी श्रोताओं का, सभी जितने सारे इसके जितने भी पार्ट्स एंड पार्सल्स हुए, सबों ने अपना मेहनत इसमें दिया, इसे आगे बढ़ाने में, और आशा है ये धीरे धीरे यह आगे की ओर बढ़ेगा। कुछ क्षणिक विराम हुआ जिसका कारण पेंडेमिक है और यह उम्मीद है कि धीरे धीरे आगामी वर्षों में फ्लोरिश करेगा और इसी के साथ सभी की शुभकामनाएं हमारे साथ है और आशा करते हैं कि जितने संकल्प सिद्धि की और या संकल्प के तरह से जितने ने मेहनत किया, जिन्होंने भी इसे आगे बढ़ाने में, उन सभी का अभिवादन है और सबका यानी अभिवादन करते हुए और ये आशा करते हैं कि आने वाले समय में फिर से सभी के सभी कनेक्ट होंगे और यह फिर से फ्लोरिश करेगा। इसके साथ ही हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं।
ये संदेश बड़ा प्रमुख था हमारे लिए। अब से कुछ क्षण में हमारे साथ हमारी फाउंडर, सीईओ और चेयर, जो आपके साथ चेयरपर्सन की भूमिका साझा करती हैं, मेरी परम पूजनीय बड़ी बहन और आपकी सबसे प्यारी पुत्री जुड़ेंगी, सुश्री बीसी अनु हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगी, जिन्होंने मेरे साथ मिलकर, इनफैक्ट मैंने उनके साथ मिलकर इस संगठन को यहाँ तक लाया है। ये मेरा सौभाग्य रहा है और आप तीनों के मार्गदर्शन में बीसीए को 13वां वर्ष में प्रवेश करवाया है और आगे भी कहीं ना कहीं इसको हम लेकर जाएंगे, अवश्य लेकर जाएंगे। परमात्मा हमारे साथ है, ये हमें पूर्ण विश्वास है। अब एक संदेश, आप लोग हेडक्वार्टर से जुड़े, तकनीकी माध्यम में हमें एक तरफ दिया, ट्रस्ट ऑफिस से ये समस्याएं आ सकती हैं, परंतु बीसीए की टीम ने और बीसीए के तकनीकी दल ने इसे मेक श्योर किया कि हाँ, आप दोनों हमसे कनेक्टेड रहें, आप तीनों हमसे कनेक्टेड रहें और पिछले वर्ष की भांति हम डिजिटल इवेंट ला पाए। एक संदेश बीसीए की टीम और युवाओं के नाम जो आपको सुन रहे हैं।
मैं अभी के युवाओं से कहना चाहूँगा, अपने कर्म पथ पर अडिग रहें, कर्म पद करते चलें, फल की चिंता न करें और जब कर्म करेंगे तो फल की प्राप्ति अवश्य होगी। धन्यवाद।
मेरा भी यही कहना है कि आज के बच्चे जो है केवल अपने ड्यूटीफुल रहें और अगर ड्यूटीफुल रहेंगे तो वह ड्यूटी यानी वर्क, कर्म, वर्क इज वर्शिप, तो उसे फल अवश्य ही मिलेगा। फल की ओर नहीं देखें। जिस तरह से अगर हम खाते हैं तो हमें एनर्जी मिलती है, तो यह एनर्जी को सोचकर नहीं खाया जाता है। खाना है और अगर वह गुड है तो वह गुड एनर्जी देगा। इस तरह से अपने वर्क को करते रहना चाहिए। दैट इज वेरी गुड because duty is the first primary work in our life, that is duty.
कोटि धन्यवाद। कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद आप दोनों को। पुनः एक बार आपकी वर्षगांठ की शुभकामनाएं। और 33 तो एक अंक मात्र है, अभी तो एक लंबी यात्रा तय करनी है और साथ करनी है। बीसीए आपके कारण है और आप दोनों प्रथम 2 अक्षर हैं बीसीए फाउंडेशन के। तो इसकी सुंदरता को तो शब्दों में व्यक्त करना मेरे लिए या किसी भी के लिए, संसार के सबसे बड़े कवि के लिए भी बहुत संभव नहीं है। मैं आप दोनों का कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद करूंगा। अपने तकनीक ने हमें जोड़ा, थोड़ी दूरियां हैं, परंतु दूरियां तो केवल शरीर मात्र की होती है, हृदय तो और आत्मा तो एक ही है। मैं आप दोनों को चरण वंदन करूंगा। आपके पीछे छपी महापुरुषों की और भारत माता की के चित्र को मैं चरण वंदन करूंगा, और बीसीए के ऑफिस को, हेडक्वार्टर्स को, संपूर्ण संगठन को मैं चरण वंदन करते हुए आप दोनों से विदा चाहूंगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप दोनों को। हमारा प्रणाम, बीसीए का प्रणाम। नमस्कार। Let us now meet our honorable chairperson, founder, CEO, my dearest elder sister, who has a message for everybody. She is joining from another trusted office of BCA Foundation Bharat, and it is our honor to have her with us here on board. Over to you.
Hello everyone, this is BCA. It's an honor to be a part of this event. Today it's a huge day for us as an organization, as well as for us as siblings. Today our parents step into the third year of their life together by the blessings and the grace of Mother. And also another thing that is happening around the corner is that we are stepping into 13th year as an organization of BCA Foundation. So it's a journey full of ups and downs, highs and lows, but still here we are standing strong. So I as founder, CEO and chair would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to all the ambassadors across the country who have been providing constant support, working continuously with us. So thank you all. As well as I would like to do a pranam to my parents our parents who have always been our support, who continuously guide us. They have been always with us in all the ups and downs. So it's an honor. I can't say much about our organization, and you are seeing yourself. So BCA Foundation is not just an organization, but it's an amalgamation of strong will and truthfulness. This is what I can say. So I wish you all, everyone, all the best. Stay happy, stay positive. Warm regards. Bye bye.
Thank you very much, Lily, for this beautiful message. I remember a story from Mahabharata again. It was Arjun. It's mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the 2nd chapter, or the summary of overall Mahabharata, where Arjun was finding it difficult. He was pale. He was unable to gather the Abalians to take the lead and march towards his own blood. He, dropping his bow and arrow, speaks to Shri Krishna, who already knew everything, who knows everything. Shri Krishna, I am not able to understand that what is the purpose of this fight. I am unable to charge my arrows on the people who are my own blood relatives. The world, if I kill them, will know me as an Abel. What will happen to me? How will the people remember me even if I get the whole of this universe as a crown on my head, as an emerald on my head? There would be no significance to me, as they are my own people. Sri Krishna gave him a very beautiful message after listening to all his problems in one shlok that I always feel is my favorite and shall remain till my life ends on this planet, in this body. He said, Arjun, Sukha Dukhe Same Kritva Labha Labho Jaya Jaya Tato Yuddha Yujyasya Naivam Papam Vapsya. The English translation of the Sanskrit shlok is, O dear Arjun, forget of your benefits, of your losses, of your wins, of your victories. Fight for the sake of fighting. Forget your process and forget your result. Just work. Just work. Work for me. You know, I have developed the habit of quoting this example. When we are in the womb, our hands are all closed, our feet is pretty closed, so that we can remember the Lord. The moment we come out, the first thing we do is breaking this norm and opening ourselves to gain and gather everything from the world, the material gains. BCA taught me not to do this, but do this, and keep doing this, remembering the one. BCA Foundation, now she has reached her 13, we have something new for you before we conclude this beautiful mega event from the BCA Foundation. What are the plans now? The previous year, we talked about getting digital, getting more of events and shows to you. We did that in the form of industry talks with BCA previous year. We came up with a new concept of Sankalp, a few episodes of Industry Talks 2.0, and after that, we have this new concept in the form of our blog website, where you will be able to find the best of the best informations, articles, research papers from various fields, from Sanatan Dharma to defense to many other things, from career counseling to development. Our team will be dedicated to you with new ambassadors and new mentors in building. Experts from various fields, be it Ayurveda, be it defense, we are in contact with them and developing this platform for you for free. The courses, however, that we will be offering in some months or maybe an year after this, the launch of this website, blog website, will have certain charges so that we can bring the best of experts again to you, because courses require certain funding. That too will be notified. We came up with a decision recently. A decision that shook the world. Not only our planning commission that was established this year, and I was given the charge of it as an honor for me to chair the planning commission that stands for 25 years of BCA's future from the day it was launched. It was 3 months ago, to be precise, when I had the honor to get a charge of the BCA's planning commission. The BCA's planning commission recently, 2 weeks ago, decided to call off all her social media pages, and that included my office's page, my personal accounts, for the sake of the good. How and why? That was a question. Well, why was not answered by us to anybody. But how could we do that was answered. We are an organization that has worked throughout on the grounds, not gone for validation, but we decided to stay with our determination. As an organization, our firm belief in you, and the ones who have made us, has even grown stronger with this decision, because the very next moment we announced it through our official press note, we saw the humongous support rising for us. People trying to know, what is this BCA? What does this do? Many of them contacted me in my office, got many messages. Why are you doing it? But let it be. If it is a decision that you have taken and your company and your team has taken, it has to be right. That is the day when I realized the power of you, all of you watching us, the team of BCA Foundation organizing it, watching it, the ambassadors from across the nation watching it, the ones who've been invited watching it. Thank you for being you for us. Because if you remove the word you from success, word success, its meaning gets shattered. But similarly, if you simply put you, it is as significant as it has to be. The power of you has made us, and we request you for the same support throughout. I don't know my life and the span of my life, but I know one thing, that your support shall be there with BCNR and his office, his team, his company. Even if I am speaking on the 30th event of BCA, you shall be the same, because you are the ones who have always been there holding hands for BCNR and supporting. Thank you very much for being with us, for being the one we always wanted to have. You all have been given as a gift to us by the Lord, by Paramatma, by our gurus, by our ancestors. Thank you all. I thank you all for being the best supporters, the best of the audience, the best of the people, lovers, followers of BCA Foundation and BCNR. I'm nothing in front of the support that you give me. I'm nobody, but your love for me is unmatched. Thank you for all the constant guidance, supports, and love for the BCA. We call it off, but not before thanking the office of BCNN that made sure that 3 offices combined together and the event gets premiered on time and reaches every single ambassador who's been with us. Thank you to the guests for their beautiful messages. Thank you for the love of yours for us, the Team BCA Foundation Bharat, the quality assurance, the human resource team, the planning commission team, the chairperson's team, the founders team. Which team is not good for us? Every team. And the biggest team of Lord and the audience that is applauding us, thanking us for everything we do. Thank you for being here. BCA salutes you all and greets you all. Namaste. Namaste to everyone. Thank you for being the greatest supporting system for this beautiful organization. BCA, thanks you all. Namaste. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Shri Ram. Om Namo Parvati Pate. Har Har Mahadev.